A small congregation runs on trust and a lot of unpaid hours. This is the Place-of-Worship Operations Workbook, one file you own that runs the whole operation. Members, giving, pledges, year-end statements, the calendar, and volunteers, all connected. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. Everything starts with the donations log. You record each gift once, with its date, household, fund, and amount. This one log is the single source that the pledges, the giving statements, and the dashboard all total from. Log a gift, and the rest of the workbook updates itself. Enter what a household pledged, and the workbook pulls what they have actually given straight from the log. It works out the balance and the percentage, and flags where each pledge stands, from not started through nearly there to fulfilled. You can thank and encourage without ever adding up a column of numbers. At year-end, every household needs a statement of what they gave. Here, that is one cell. Set the giving year, and for every household, the workbook totals that year's gifts, overall and split by fund, ready to copy into a contribution statement. The dreaded year-end weekend becomes a single number you can trust. The events and facility calendar keeps every gathering, class, and booking in one place, with a live countdown to each date. Before you confirm a new booking, a quick scan of the space and date columns means two groups never double book the hall. The volunteer roster records who serves where, on which team, and whether any required background clearance is current. A clearance that is pending or expired is flagged right on the roster, so a lapsed check is caught before the next rotation, not at the door. The dashboard brings it together. Giving this year and by fund, pledges outstanding, what is coming up on the calendar, and who needs a clearance. Every figure is pulled live from the other tabs, so it is right the moment you update a cell. Open it at your weekly check-in and act on what it shows. Per Seat Church software is built for a mega church and holds your data on its servers. This is the owned middle ground, structure you keep for a church, mosque, temple, synagogue, or any small congregation. Buy once, and it is yours. Find it at Ardent Workshop.